Welcome to my channel. How to set up Arlo Essential Spotlight Camera, easy beginner guide. 1. Charge it first. Right out of the box, plug the device in using the USB cable that comes with it. Don't skip this step. A low battery during setup can cause unnecessary frustration. Let it charge fully until the LED turns solid blue, which means it's fully charged and ready to use. 2. Get the Arlo app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, download the Arlo Secure app, and sign in or make an account. That's the main control center for everything: setup, updates, notifications, all of it happens there. 3. Choose Add New Device. Once you're in the app, hit the plus icon and pick Camera's right-pointing arrow Essential Series right-pointing arrow Essential Spotlight Camera. The app walks you through it step by step, but I'll tell you the key parts that actually matter. 4. Power it on and wait for the LED. Press and hold the sync button on top until the front light starts flashing blue. That means it's in pairing mode. If it doesn't flash, hold it longer or reset it by pressing and holding for about 15 seconds till it blinks amber. 5. Connect the Wi-Fi. You'll need your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, not the 5 GHz one. That's where a lot of people mess up. The Arlo Essential doesn't like 5 GHz during setup. Put in your Wi-Fi name and password in the app, and it'll start linking. 6. Scan the QR code. Once the app generates a QR code, hold it about 6 to 8 inches from the camera lens. You'll hear a chime. That means the camera caught it. If it doesn't, clean the lens or adjust your phone brightness. 7. Wait for it to connect. This part takes a minute or two. You'll see flashing lights. Blue means it's connecting, solid blue means it's linked. If it blinks amber, it didn't connect, so double check your Wi-Fi or move closer to the router. 8. Pick your mounting spot. Find a spot that's not too high up. Around 7 to 8 feet works best. Make sure it faces the area you actually want to monitor, not directly into the sun or a street light. Otherwise, the night vision and spotlight go crazy at night. 9. Test the camera in the app. Before you screw it in, open the app and check the live view. Make sure it's getting a solid signal and that motion detection lines up where you need it. Saves you from unscrewing and remounting it later. 10. Update the firmware and tweak settings. Once it's online, the app might ask you to update. Do it right away. Then go into settings and adjust motion zones, spotlight brightness, and notification sensitivity. That's what keeps false alerts down and saves battery life. Thanks for watching.